Hey guys, my name is Glenn and I'm just an average guy cooking things that if I can cook them, you can too. Today I decided to make for my family some white chicken chili. This white chili has white beans, black-eyed peas, chicken, and Ortega chilies. I love Ortega chilies. And also I made some French bread with this because you can't have soup or chili without bread. So I'll also leave a link down in the description below for a tutorial on how to make that, as well as a card will pop up here for that video as well. But let's go ahead and dive into today's recipe. So for our ingredients, we're gonna need 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 4-ounce can of diced Ortega chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper, 1 heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of salt. You're also going to need 4 cups of chicken broth, and I also like to add 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon to the broth just to make it a little bit more flavorful. 2 cans of black-eyed peas with bacon, and 2 cans of white beans, and 4 large boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And one of the best parts, you're gonna need some shredded Monterey Jack cheese for the topping. So to start preparing our chicken, we're just gonna place it in a baking sheet. And then we're gonna season it with our lemon pepper and salt. And now that we've got it all seasoned, we're going to place it in the oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees and cook it for 35 minutes. Once cooked, we're going to just chop it up into bite-sized pieces for our chili. Now that we've got our chicken all diced up, we're going to set it off to the side until we need it for our chili. Then we're going to saute our onions. We want to cook these on medium heat in our olive oil. And we're going to cook them just until they're transparent. We don't want them to start to brown or caramelize, but just so you can start to see through them. Then we want to add our diced green chilies. As well as our oregano, our cumin, and our minced garlic. Then we want to just kind of saute this for about another 5 minutes. And now that those are all going good together, we want to start adding our beans. Our chicken. Try not to spill it. Get everything nice and stirred up. Then we're gonna add our chicken broth and our bouillon. Now that we've got all of our ingredients mixed together, we're gonna turn our heat on high and bring this to a boil. Then we want to reduce it down to a simmer, give it one more good stir, cover it, and let it cook for 1 more hour. And after that, it's time to grab our bowls and serve it up. Top it with some cheese. Oh, come on, we gotta put more cheese in that. Now we're talking. Time to enjoy. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's recipe. If you have any questions or comments, or if you've tried this recipe, please leave it down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Please hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so you'll be notified of future recipes. And until next time, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this chili here. See you guys next time.